The one thing you absolutely have to do when making a video is how do you start making videos? First thing is to have a game plan, a checklist. This is my checklist. Who am I? I'm Sherman Williams. I am a creative director. I'm a filmmaker and an editor. I've been working in TV at NBC affiliates, Fox affiliates, ABC affiliates, public television, video production companies for over 20 years. So, step one, know your audience. People often skip this because they think they know who their audience is, but really taking the time to think about this is very important. It impacts everything else down the line, from your budget to the style of your video to the artistic direction. Everything is defined by who you're talking to. When you know your audience, you know who you're talking to, you need to know what you can offer them of value. Even for this video, if you're watching this, you're probably my intended audience. What you generally want is to have a great video that represents you well. You want to have something that helps you make a profit. You definitely want to have something that helps you stay in budget. And this sort of planning that we're doing right now, this 5-step checklist, helps you do all of that. I've made hundreds of local commercials, and one of the biggest challenges is when clients try to cram everything in. They try to put in their history, their special offer, testimonial, their locations, family photos, local landmarks. I get it. They're spending a lot of money, so they want to get the most bang for their buck. Here's the truth. Simplicity really gets your point across. Clear beats clutter every day of the week, in my opinion. Step number 3, pick the right format. So where's this video going? Is it going on social media? Is it going on air? Is it a vertical video? Do you need both? The format determines your pacing. It determines how you frame your shots. It determines how you edit. It determines how long your video may be. It's important to know where this video will live and what format you need it in. That'll help you make a lot of decisions when it comes time to get into scripting and script writing. Number 4 on the list is budget and timeline. The one thing you absolutely have to do when you make a video is be for real about your budget and your timeline. I had a client who owned a wing place and they needed a commercial done yesterday, and they had basically no time to produce it and hardly any budget and barely any airtime budget. I mean, I'm talking less than $1,000. And he told me that this commercial needed to save his business. And I had to look him dead in the face and say, hey, I don't think it's going to do that. You're throwing a Hail Mary. Also, you struggling with a wing place in the hood, my boy? Oh my God, come on. When it comes to visual direction, having an idea of how you want it to look goes a long way. Planning what kind of edit you need, if you need LUTs, special lighting, all of this stuff is where you start to develop the look for your video. A local dairy farm hired us. They wanted the classic American look: blue skies, green grass, brown cows, cold milk. The client loved it because it captured who they are. Audience, message, format, budget, visual style. So whether you're doing a big budget production or just shooting a video on your iPhone, working through these steps will help get you through the process and keep your project inside of your budget and help you come up with something creative. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button or subscribe. If you have questions about video production, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Maybe I'll make that the topic of my next video.